The next step, as Cindy showed you on the rubric then, is an open-ended section where you will be writing comments to the authors. A real important thing for you to remember at this point is that the authors will see exactly what you write here. So it's important for you to write comments that are helpful to the authors themselves and to be respectful in the way that you word your comments and the kinds of feedback that you can give. I think it's important to imagine yourself saying these things directly to the person's face. So that you are making sure that you're wording it in a way that is helpful and respectful. And it's important, I think, to include both the strengths of the proposal as well as any concerns or recommendations that you have. It's also important to remember that even if you do not score the proposal highly, others might. And so go ahead and make some recommendations for things that could be done between now and the time that the presentation would be made so that the authors have your feedback and could make some of the changes that you think are important between now and the time of the conference. The next section then is the comments that you will make directly to the section chair. And the section chair is the only person who will see these comments. These will not be seen by the authors. Therefore, this is your chance to clearly talk about why you decided to give the scores you did on the rubric. Explain to the section chair what you thought was a real strength or what kinds of concerns you had. Was it with the content, with the methods, with the conclusions? Did you think it's a very strong proposal, but it really won't add much to our knowledge base? The section chairs have a lot of decisions to make and a very large puzzle to put together. And so it's really helpful if you can give some very specific information here that will help them in making their decisions.